when would a company be making these kind of changes with Lake FS, or changing from the style, like traditional model, to one where they have a data lake with a data warehouse within it?
So I think in order to do that change and move into a data lake or start with a data lake, you would have to be thinking you'll have scale. Now, scale doesn't necessarily mean scale in amounts of data, although as we talked about, very quickly, everyone has scale with data. It can also be scale with the number of outputs that you would be extracting from that data. So what is complex is the pipelines that you're running over the data, the number and the dependencies between them. That is a different kind of complexity that would also require high levels of manageability. And then the third would be a team. If you have a very big team of people that need to collaborate, and they are using the same data set, and something changes, and one person changes something where another person didn't know that change was happening, or doesn't think that change is needed, or they are looking for a snapshot of the data that was just destroyed, then the complexity of the work is high. So I would say those are the three dimensions that if one of them is already scaling, you would need to think of manageability, and you would want to be running CI and CD, or as we call it, data lifecycle management on your environment, just to ensure quality. And, data that is not quality data is harmful. It's not that it's meaningless. It actually damages the organization. Decisions are taken over data. If the data is not perfect and can't be trusted, the wrong decisions would be taken. So quality becomes harder to achieve, and manageability becomes top of mind.